the trim company went through and adjusted all the doors and locks and trimmed, rekeyed it.
Okay.
The dents in the garage door were removed. All the screens are installed. And it's
Now it's working. Thank you for fixing it.
you can see the light actually turns on now.
Okay. Good. It's working. Okay. The light in front of the garage will turn on when it starts. There's a sensor right there.
The expansion tank is not required. It's a tankless water heater and the city doesn't require it. On here it says it doesn't water. The faucet had no water.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah. Now it's working.
put a propane tank in there.
Okay. They need to put a propane tank in there.
Yep.
The
And
key.
then they'll get a key with it.
The key to turn on the fire here. Okay.
So they said the diverter valve was, when they engaged the shower, it was still dripping. And there's no water coming out. They fixed that. You can see on his gauge above 80.
Yeah.
And it's a little below or above 60.
So the pressure is good now.
The pressure is good.
They're basically the warranty not there. But what we do give is a 1-year warranty through American Eagle. Okay?
Okay.
Plumbing and electrical. And one other thing, appliances. So it covers those main items for a year, which will kind of, Okay, so they're going to send you out an email. It will look something like this.
Yeah.
You can set up a login to get into the portal system. The manufacturer, who installed it, the warranty, gives you all the paint colors and everything in there. Okay?
So they need to set up a water
Soft water